Okay, in today's video, we are cleaning my fridge. We are getting in there, we are getting rid of old food, we're gonna be cleaning all the shelves, and then I'm going to make it look pretty. I'm only gonna put back food that we are actually eating and that hasn't expired, and I am going to get it pristine and clean, and I'm so excited. So stay tuned while I do that. Okay, so here's a peek at the fridge. Let's see what we're working with today. And this is what we have. Let me open this side. So you can see it's just, there's no organization in here at all. Things are just thrown in. And I am going to be going through each item, deciding if we actually eat it, and if not, I'm going to be tossing it. So, okay, let's get started. So, one of the big reasons why I really want to make it a goal to work on my fridge and keeping it clean is because, in my opinion, I feel like I work better in spaces that are clean and organized, and that would include my fridge. So I think that if my fridge is organized, I can see all the food that I have. Everything just is pretty and lined up and just easy to access. I believe that it's going to mean that I will want to be in the kitchen more, cooking and baking, which you know is a goal of mine. So we need to just tackle this today. And going forward, I'm going to try to do it on a weekly basis, and hopefully that will keep it from getting out of control like it is right now. Okay, let's get started. Front of my fridge, there's this little beverage center, and it has your water dispenser, and it even has a jug that automatically fills up with water. And this is where we keep our milk and our margarine. And I got this totally clean, so I feel good. One part is done. I will go through and wipe down shelves and stuff at the end, but right now I'm just sort of decluttering everything. So there we go, one section. Here's the piling up so far. It's going to get much bigger here in a minute. So I am not looking forward to cleaning out these bottles and washing them, which is partly why I put this off for so long. Does anybody else hate doing that? But I mean, I love that we recycle, but it's just such a pain having to do this. So, okay, let's keep going. This process is so tedious, and the only thing I'm thinking about the whole time is that I am vowing to myself that I am not going to let it get overrun again with expired products and have to spend over an hour, probably like 2 hours cleaning this fridge out. So that is a promise I've made to myself, and I am definitely going to keep that. One thing I have discovered about myself is that I really don't like keeping leftovers unless I know for sure that we're going to eat them. So if I'm on the fence at all, I will just put it in the organics bin, because typically if it goes into the fridge, I end up just putting it into the organics like a couple weeks later. So I have learned that about myself, and I've accepted that we don't eat a lot of leftovers. So that is one thing that I have done in the past to try to help the situation of the fridge. Having a turntable in my fridge. I only wish it was a little bit bigger. I should definitely put that on my list to get something that's bigger and can hold more things on it. So anyway, this is just a little tiny one, but it does work well and I do enjoy having it. I know that there are lots of new viewers that have watched my videos lately, and I wanted to say thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love if you would subscribe and follow along. There'll be lots more videos of me going through my home, cleaning and decluttering, and lots of other fun things coming up. So please be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. So here is a look at the finished fridge, all cleaned out. You'll notice I had to get rid of a lot of old expired products. So there's lots of room now, which is great, and I don't want to stuff it up again. So there's all the condiments on this side, along with my orange juice. And then on this side, it's drinks and butter. So that's it. Yeah. I think I have some grocery shopping to do, but I feel really good about the fact that it's totally cleaned out. So it will be so nice to get a grocery order and organize this. Yeah, I can't wait. Here is the aftermath. This is not the fun part. This is the part that makes me not want to clean my fridge. But it'll be a lot easier if I just keep on top of it. So at this point, I am going to power through this and get rid of all of the food items and all of these containers, wash them out and put them into recycling. So my job is not done yet, but it's getting close. So let's put all of the organics into our compost bin and get rid of those. Here, let's go. There. We are almost done. Almost done.